So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back! We've progressed through the essential stages of risk assessment. Now, in this 7th video, we're focusing on the critical step of selecting the appropriate security controls to mitigate the risks we've identified and prioritized. This is where your risk assessment translates into tangible security improvements. Security controls are measures implemented to reduce the likelihood or impact of identified risks. These controls can also involve avoiding the risk altogether, transferring the risk, like through insurance, or accepting the risk if it's deemed low enough. Security controls are generally categorized into 3 main types: physical controls, which are tangible security measures like locks and security guards; technical controls, which involve technology like firewalls and encryption; and administrative controls, which are policies and procedures like security awareness training. Let's look at some common technical controls. Firewalls control network traffic. Intrusion detection systems, IDS, monitor for malicious activity. Access control lists, ACLs, restrict access to resources. And encryption protects data confidentiality. Administrative controls include security policies, mandatory security awareness training for employees, and background checks for personnel. Physical controls involve things like locks on doors, security guards, and surveillance systems. When selecting controls, several factors come into play. You need to consider the cost-effectiveness of the control, its feasibility to implement within your environment, the potential impact on users, how easy it is to maintain, and whether it can scale as your organization grows. It's crucial to select controls that are specifically tailored to address the identified risk. A risk-based approach ensures you're tackling the root causes. Often, a layered security approach, also known as defense in depth, which involves implementing multiple controls, provides the most robust protection. Selecting the right controls is only half the battle. You need to ensure they are properly deployed and configured, thoroughly tested to verify their effectiveness, and continuously monitored to ensure they remain effective over time. And that wraps up our discussion on selecting controls. In the next video, we will explore common frameworks and how they are used in the risk assessment process. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.